Everybody, welcome back to the scariest channel on the internet. And today, for the first time on this channel, we are going to be doing a scary video.
Investigating a abandoned train station in our local bunny park.
In his younger days, it was a family-friendly destination for a lot of younger kids to be able to pet and play with animals at the petting zoo.
Where the bunny park was built, there was a local train station in the 90s. After World War II, it became abandoned. People started striking, buildings got burned down, and it led to a lot of people dying.
After the train station burned down, it became a local attraction. They built a bunny park around it, so a lot of people from around town could come and see this train and experience what it was like in World War II.
Few years, the bunny park got completely abandoned. Nowhere to go, nowhere